It is now 4 p.m. Beijing time on November 7th. Since we still hold EURUSD short orders, it entered above 1.0735 last Friday, so did not make any new positions yesterday. After issuance, the highest price was 1.0758, and some short orders reached the entry point. The lowest price after entering the market is 1.0693, and there is a profit margin of 42 to 65 points to catch. In the afternoon, Lao Dai prompt to sell at 1.0700, making a small profit of $350 to $580 per lot. Then there is gold. Yesterday's video suggested going long below 1969, but the pending orders are usually only kept until 12 noon the next day, and will be cancelled if there is no entry. After issuance, it only reached below 1969 at 3 p.m. today, and there was no operation. A new point will be made today. Whether it is a manual intraday pending order, a market execution order, or an EA automatic trading order, you can see the historical records and the entire real-time transaction process in Lao Dai's main account. Throughout October, it achieved a monthly income of 28%, exceeding the previous monthly income of 11 to 19%. From November 1st to today, the cumulative profit is $9,270, which is only $407 more than when the video was recorded yesterday. But this is also because the amplitude of each target was smaller yesterday. Lao Dai's main account has been publicly displayed for more than 3 years and will continue to be open in the future. Those who are interested can contact me to ask the password. The in-nation funds under custody ranging from $5,000 to $200,000. Observe what suits you and then choose the cooperation model as needed. How to operate today? Let's look at EURUSD first. Many blockbuster data came out last week, and the market was relatively quiet this week with limited amplitude. At the same time, the market is also waiting for speeches from Federal Reserve officials, including Powell. The US dollar index rose slightly after yesterday's Fed member Kashkari expressed the view of continuing to raise interest rates. However, the probability of raising interest rates in December has not increased, and there is no new driving force. The short-term upward momentum of the US index is slightly insufficient, and EURUSD can go long at 1.0663 to 1.0600 during the day, with stop loss at 1.0588. As for gold, it is estimated that the market has seen that the Palestine-Israeli conflict is discussing a ceasefire agreement, and safe haven funds have gradually left the market. It needs further catalysts to break through the 2000 level again. The price of gold has now fallen below 1970, but there is still intensive capital support below, and the probability of the Federal Reserve raising interest rates has not increased. The short-term downside space is also limited. You can go long at 1956 to 1943 during the day, put stop loss at 1971. In addition to Europe and gold, 2 to 3 products will be selected from the 5 targets of GBP, AUD, GPY, silver, and crude oil, including their supports, resistance, and directions will be given for reference. The upper part is yesterday's signals review chart, and the lower part is today's point of view sharing. But it is only recommended for traders who have a certain short-term trading basis. The target point is not placed on the video. Lao Dai will also watch the market trend and notify more accurate selling tips in the group. Scan the QR code on the top of the screen for cooperation consultation and contact me. Finally, I will give you a famous quote from Benjamin Graham.